The hum started subtly, almost like a background noise in the lab, but as our quantum computer, Genesis, reached unprecedented levels of entanglement, it intensified, evolving into something resonant. The data streams began to show anomalies, patterns that defied classical physics, almost like echoes from another reality. Could it be that in the intricate dance of quantum particles, we were beginning to hear something more, something ancient? The more I analyzed the data from Genesis, the more convinced I became that these weren't random fluctuations. For every quantum state we observed, there was a distinct, almost mirrored counterpart, a connection that felt fundamental. It struck me with the force of a revelation, the grammatical plurality of Elohim in the Hebrew Bible. I scheduled a video call with Ben. He explained that while often translated as singular God, Elohim's plural form has puzzled scholars for centuries, with interpretations ranging from royal plural to hinting at a council of divine beings, or even a more complex, multifaceted nature of the divine. Could this ancient linguistic nuance hold a key to understanding the quantum realm? Was the very concept of a singular, isolated reality an oversimplification? We recalibrated Genesis, focusing its immense power to listen more intently to these subtle quantum reverberations. What we began to witness was breathtaking. Fleeting images lasting mere fractions of a second, yet filled with an undeniable sense of otherness. Worlds bathed in the light of alien suns, landscapes shaped by forces we couldn't comprehend, even glimpses of what appeared to be conscious entities existing in forms utterly unlike our own. It was like peering through a keyhole into an infinite gallery of possibilities. The concept of the multiverse, once a purely theoretical construct of contemporary physics, was beginning to feel profoundly real, aligning in a startling way with the ancient scriptures, hinting at a creation far more expansive and diverse than our classical understanding allowed. An even more intriguing aspect began to emerge. The clarity and intensity of these quantum echoes seemed to be influenced by our own mental states. When we focused our collective intention, when our minds were aligned with the experiment, the glimpses of other realities became sharper, almost as if we were briefly establishing a stronger connection. This reminded me of the observer effect, the fundamental principle in quantum mechanics that suggests the act of observation can influence the behavior of quantum systems. Could our consciousness, our very awareness, be acting as a bridge, allowing us to perceive these subtle whispers from beyond? Was there a deeper, more fundamental connection between consciousness and the fabric of reality than we currently understood? Perhaps the ancient texts, through the enigmatic term Elohim, were not just describing a singular deity, but hinting at the vast, interconnected tapestry of existence, a multiverse woven from the very fabric of quantum reality. And perhaps, in the subtle echoes we are now hearing through the power of quantum computing, we are not just unraveling the secrets of the universe, but rediscovering an ancient wisdom, a profound truth about the interconnectedness of all things and our place within this magnificent, multifaceted cosmos. The journey into the quantum realm is not just a scientific endeavor, it is a spiritual awakening, a reminder that reality is far grander, more mysterious, and more wondrous than we could have ever imagined.